What is your personal brand? Is it Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, or Armani? That's right, my name is Amani Said, without the R, and I am the founder of Success Beyond the Lab, and I am on a mission to empower scientists in achieving their career goals. When I'm talking about brand, I'm not talking about fashion, but more importantly, your personal brand. So if I would ask 5 of your colleagues, what defines you? What makes you you? What would they say? Many times you are not even conscious about what brand it is that we are communicating to our co-workers, to our employers. And this is a crucial factor to really succeed in achieving the career that you want to have. So join me on the webinar in creating your personal brand, where you will learn 5 simple steps and not only creating it, but also how to effectively communicate it. Check out the link above. Can't wait to see you there. Until then, take care.